How to fix Instagram messages not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram messages not showing on Android phone. First, then just open settings and then click apps and apps again and go to Instagram. Now just click here storage and then clear cache and click force stop and then just restart your phone and then your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and go to storage and clear data and click OK, and then just go to permissions and allow all of those here and then go back, and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.